Hello, so it's Chris again. So on Sunday, I went to Antwerp. I was meeting up with some friends and we were going to go for Traffic-Free Sunday, which is once a year around this time of year. And the idea is to get all power-driven vehicles off the road, except maybe electric bikes. And for people to be able to cycle, to skateboard, to walk, within the towns or cities and do it in a relaxed way. Anyway, I was meeting up with the people in Antwerp. Before I went there, I went to the station in Liège-Guillemins, and there was a bit of time before my train was due. So I had with me, I was travelling light, so I had with me the camera with my DSLR with the 35mm lens. And I set that on the ground. I just placed it on the ground just outside the station where the pigeons flock. And I had a remote shutter with me. So I just placed it on the ground, took several shots, had it on auto settings, because if you can't really see through the viewfinder or on the screen of the camera, then it's better to use a remote. So I had auto settings, few shots, and then later, when I was back home, a few days later, cropped it in Photoshop Elements, and this was the result. Okay, so it's Chris here again. Thanks for watching this video. So what happened then, the picture that I took, let me have a look in here. We're just going in, and it was this one. It's 1920 times 1080 pixels. But a lot of the information in there wasn't interesting, so I decided to make it into a panorama on Photoshop Elements, and this is the result that I got. But I wanted to post that to Instagram, but it didn't seem a suitable format to send it to Instagram. So what I did, if I go into here, I went into swipeable. Going into swipeable, so that's coming up now. And I choose the picture, which is that one, and then we can scroll through it there on that program, and then all we have to do is we click the post to Instagram, and that's it. It brings up the Instagram application, and that's it. It saves copies of the panorama into the Photos app. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you got some ideas from it. If there's anything that you want to add, then comments below. And if you haven't subscribed already, then think about subscribing. So that's it for this week, and hope to see you next week.